Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the wild slang term maniac. It's a word for someone who acts super crazy, intense, or really excited about something, often in a fun or over the top way, though it can sometimes mean reckless. It's about that high energy, out there attitude. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. He's a maniac on the soccer field, running like crazy. He plays with wild energy. She's a painting maniac, staying up all night to finish her art. She's super into it. That driver weaving through traffic is a total maniac. He's driving too fast and risky. My friend's a maniac at video games, playing for hours. He's obsessed and intense. The slang term maniac comes from an old word for madness, used in the 1800s to describe people acting wildly or out of control. By the 1900s, it became a casual way in American English to call someone super energetic or overly focused, often in a fun way, like in movies or music. Today, it's used to highlight crazy enthusiasm or sometimes reckless behavior. Use maniac to describe someone who's acting wild, super excited, or a bit out of control, especially in fun chats about sports, hobbies, or bold actions. This term has a lively, sometimes teasing tone and is great for casual conversations. Be careful, though. It can sound harsh if you're calling someone reckless in a serious way. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.